Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome back, you guys, to my channel. Look at what I made. You guys, I made a stovetop chicken Parmesan that is smothered in mozzarella and Parmesan cheese and a marinara sauce that I got from Thrive Market. And on the side, I decided to saute some fresh zucchini. You guys, absolutely delicious. So I am going to run the footage so you will know how I put all of this deliciousness together. But in the meantime, you guys, I'm going to bless this food and we are going to give it a taste. Lord, I thank you. Oh my gosh. Absolutely delicious, you guys. That zucchini, so simple. Fresh, you slice it into cubes, cook it on the stovetop with some olive oil, and then season it with some salt, garlic powder, and some black pepper, and you are done. And then you have a side of deliciousness. Now, for this chicken Parmesan, this fork just cut right through it like butter, you guys. Look at that. Absolutely delicious. Not to mention, all of this took about 15 minutes to put together, and it is low carb, you guys. So please do give us a try. Let everyone know just how much you love it. Give this video a like, a thumbs up. Please do share. Please do subscribe to my channel. That's how YouTube knows that you are enjoying this content, and they will continue to spread it around, you guys. And again, I'm going to run the footage so you will learn how to put all of this deliciousness together in a matter of minutes that you and your entire family can enjoy. In the meantime, you guys, remember to remain safe, healthy, and encouraged. And it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special. Until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries. And I will see you guys real soon on my next Fit Back 50. Stay tuned, and we will get into putting this together. Hello everyone. So today we are going to take some chicken breast along with some mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, some herbs and spices, some marinara sauce, and we are going to make a stove-top chicken Parmesan. And on the side for the vegetable, we are going to take some fresh zucchini, we are going to cube it, and we are going to saute it in some olive oil. All of this, you guys, is going to take about 15 minutes, and it is going to be quick, simple, and delicious. So let's get started with prepping this chicken. So here I've got the chicken breast. The first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and butterfly it, and then I am going to tenderize it. Okay, now that this chicken has been butterflied, we're going to go ahead and take it and put it in between some cling wrap, and then we are going to tenderize it with a mallet. Okay, now put another sheet right on top of it to cover it. And we just take this mallet, you guys. And we pound it until this chicken is tenderized. Who knew that tenderizing chicken was just that simple? All right, you guys. So next, we're going to season this chicken. All right, and I am just going to use some salt, some pepper, and some garlic powder. All right, flip it over and do exactly the same thing on the other side. All right, now this is seasoned on both sides. It is ready to go on over to the stove. And I already got a skillet over there that has been preheated. I'm gonna put some olive oil in it. Then I will proceed to cook this until golden brown on both sides. I'll see you at the stove. All right, everyone, this skillet is hot. We're gonna put some olive oil in it. Spread it around. And then we're gonna put this chicken in. And continue to cook this on medium heat until it is golden brown. Then we're gonna flip it and we're gonna do the same thing on that side. All right, this chicken is ready. Put it in this bowl and set it aside. And then we will get ready to prepare the sauce. Okay, now for this zucchini. Real simple. Let's cut off the ends. Slice it down the center. And then slice it down the middle. And we're going to cube it. And then we're going to continue exactly the same way with the remaining pieces. All right, everyone, this skillet is hot. So let's go ahead and put just a little bit more olive oil in here. And then we're going to add this zucchini. Okay, now in this pan, we are going to add a little bit more olive oil. Some minced garlic. And then we're going to add this marinara sauce that I purchased from Thrive Market, which is the online market where you can shop by diet type, whether it be vegan, paleo, keto, and they deliver fresh to your door. So I am going to be using this today, and it is in fact low carb. I'm also going to add some oregano. And give this a stir. Okay, I'm going to let this heat through, guys, and then at that point, I am going to add the chicken back in. Let's check this zucchini. See, it's starting to brown on that side, so let's go ahead and give it a flip. All right, you guys, so all the flavors of that garlic and oregano have been incorporated into the sauce. So let's go ahead and put this chicken in. So this chicken can soak up the flavors of the sauce while the zucchini continues to cook. And then the last step, you guys, will be to add the cheese. Okay, you guys, the zucchini is ready. Add a little salt, garlic powder, black pepper. Flip it. And this is ready. Okay. Turn the heat off of it. Okay. And we're going to add this to the bowl. All right. That's ready, guys. Looks delicious. All right. Now for this chicken, just add some Parmesan cheese. Then some mozzarella cheese. You guys, we're gonna let this melt through, and then this will be ready to serve. And here we have it, you guys. The finished stovetop chicken Parmesan. Looks and smells delicious. And on the side, we have got some zucchini. So, only thing left to do, you guys, is to bless this food and dig in. And here we have it, you guys. Stovetop chicken Parmesan smothered in mozzarella and Parmesan cheese and a low-carb marinara sauce with some grilled zucchini on the side.